Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a Bitcoin cold wallet. We'll start by understanding what a cold wallet is and why it's essential for securing your digital assets. Then, we'll explore the different types available, focusing on the most secure options. You'll also learn about crucial security features to look for and the best places to make your purchase safely. This guide will help you make an informed decision. There are several types of cold wallets, but hardware wallets are generally the most recommended. These are physical devices that store your private keys offline, making them resistant to online threats. Other options include paper wallets, which are physical printouts of your keys, and air-gapped devices, which are never connected to the internet. Non-electronic options like metal backups also provide robust offline storage. When choosing a cold wallet, prioritize security features. A secure element chip is crucial, as it protects your private keys from attacks. PIN protection and optional passphrases add extra layers of security. Open-source firmware allows for community audits, enhancing trustworthiness. Also, confirm the wallet supports all the cryptocurrencies you intend to store, as not all wallets support every asset. To ensure authenticity, always purchase your cold wallet directly from the manufacturer's official website. Avoid third-party resellers, as devices could be tampered with. Once you receive your wallet, follow the manufacturer's setup instructions precisely. This includes generating and securely storing your recovery seed phrase offline, perhaps in a fireproof safe. Never share your private key with anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.